Let's start inside the Apple Wallet. Here I've got $10 on my Apple Cash balance. To move that to Cash App, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your Apple Cash card. Now tap Transfer to Bank. If you don't see this option, make sure you're using the latest iOS version and that your Apple Cash is fully set up. Enter the amount. In this case, I'll use $5, then tap Next. If you've never linked a bank account before, Apple Wallet may prompt you to add one now. Otherwise, it will use the account already on file. But to link Cash App as your bank, you'll need to tap Card Details and then go to Bank Account, and you'll see the current account on file. You'll need to tap Remove Bank and then tap Add Bank Account once again because Apple Wallet does not allow you to have multiple bank accounts linked. After you've removed your bank account that's on file, you'll need the routing and account number from your Cash App to add Cash App as your bank account. To find that, open Cash App, tap the bank icon or money sign if you have money in your balance. You already have direct deposit enabled, your routing and account number will appear on the screen. If you don't see it, make sure your account is verified and Cash App balance is active. Otherwise, the option won't appear. Once you have those numbers, go back to Apple Wallet, paste them in, and tap Next. It may list the bank as Sutton Bank, and that's correct since Cash App uses Sutton Bank to process transfers. Now go back to Transfer to Bank, enter the $5 again or whatever amount you're using, and tap Next. You'll be shown two transfer options: instant transfer with a small fee of 25 cents or 1 to 3 business days, which is free. If you're not in a rush, go with the free option, tap transfer, then double click to confirm. Just like that, that's how you transfer your Apple Pay balance, Cash App in 2025. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time, especially for standard transfers, and you can always track it in both apps to confirm it's moving.